Hi, welcome back to the channel. In the previous short that you can watch here, I showed you how I put a 3D printed mold together and prepared it so that I can use it in this video to show you how I make a fuselage out of glass fiber. To make a fuselage out of glass fiber, I need a couple of things, which are here on the table. The first one is a glass fiber cloth at 163 grams per square meter. I'm using a glass cloth of 25 grams per square meter as well, and that is for the sharp edges within the fuselage. I'm using a glass fiber tape or band that is 40 millimeters wide, 225 grams per square meter. That is for fusing the two halves of the fuselage together, right on the seam. Of course, we have our epoxy resin and our epoxy hardener. This is a 10 to 4 or 100 to 40 mixing ratio. This gives me about 30-minute working time with a 24-hour curing. The advantage of this one, I think, for me, is that I don't need to cure it at a higher temperature after I'm done working with it. So you have to look out for that one. I have here also micro balloons with thixo agent in combination with the cotton flocks. These three together go into, with some epoxy resin, are mixed into sort of a paste or a goo that I put in the corners and around edges where it's difficult for the thick fabric to really follow the bends or curves. So what the paste will do is that it prevents air pockets between the epoxy that is against the fuselage and in between the glass cloth itself. And sometimes you get sort of an air pocket that you then have to fill up with filler. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get cracking.